Good morning, children. Welcome to the class of Hindi. See, yesterday we have learned some barakadis. I explained that what are the short vowels and long vowels, and how many seconds you must have to take that one being we pronounced that letters, particular letter or that symbol. No, if we learn the barakadi sound, then only we know the particular word how we have to read. Okay, I explained up to tha barakadi. Now today I am going to explain one barakadi and how we are going to pronounce a word. Okay, how to pronounce without a symbol I will explain. With the symbol after that. After learning all the barakadis, we will learn the words then particular word with the symbol. Okay. Now see, barakadi yesterday up to tha only over. I told you to remember some points. Means short vowel and long vowel. One is short and one is long. A, I, U, A. These are ru. These 5 letters are short vowels. Means hasva swar. While pronouncing that letters, only for 1 second we are taking that A, I, U, A. A, I, U, ru. These four letters we are pronouncing for 1 second only, and remaining letters I said A, I, U, A, I, O, Au. These all long vowels, and these long vowels we are writing and pronouncing in symbols also. With symbol, while you are taking the symbol sound for 1 second and for 4 seconds, you must have to add with the consonant, means add with the letter and that sound. How many seconds we are taking that? How many seconds we are saying that? How many seconds we are pronouncing that? Then only we know that what is the letter and what is the vowel and what is the pronunciation of that. We knowing that. Then next tha after da barakadi da. I explained 2 types of barakadis. One is we are writing with the along the symbols, means while knowing that symbols we are writing letter and writing next to the letter and pronouncing that. This is first one. Another one I told you that only symbols you can write and just add a letter there. No? Today I am going to explain ta, tha, da. Tha over da. Da, da a ki matra da. Da choti i ki matra di. Da badi i की मात्रा दी. Da u की मात्रा डू. Da u की मात्रा डू. Da ru की मात्रा ड्रू. Only letter is changing, not the symbol. Pronunciation letter with symbol. What are the letters hidden? What are the swar letters? What are the vowels attached to this particular letter? That letter and sound, it is important. Then you must have to keep in your, remember this all the points. Da a की मात्रा de. Da I की मात्रा dai. Da o की मात्रा do. Da au की मात्रा dau. Da am की मात्रा dam. Da aha की मात्रा daha. The next dha. Dha a की मात्रा dha. Dha छोटी ई की मात्रा ढी. ढा बड़ी ई की मात्रा ढी. ढा छोटी ऊ की मात्रा ढू. ढा ऊ की मात्रा ढू. Dha ru ki matra dhru. While writing this dha, remember that it won't have to come outside of the line. If it is coming outside of this letter, it will become a da. Then barakadi is going to mistake then. Da after dha no. ढा ए की मात्रा ढे, always while writing the letter or symbol or the word, what are you writing? No, first you must have to write a letter, then have to finish with the header. That complete means while writing a word or the barakadi, same. First you have to write a letter, then symbol, then complete the header. Da I की मात्रा डाई, da o की मात्रा do. See, I am writing letter, symbol, and finishing with the header. Dhau, dha am की मात्रा dham, dha aha की मात्रा dhaha. Then afterwards, dha after what is the letter? Ana. See, ana. What I explained yesterday? Only symbols, and you can add a letter. Okay. One I will explain like this. Ana. A did not have matra. Then starting from A की मात्रा, छोटी ई की मात्रा, बड़ी ई की मात्रा. Why I am explaining? If you miss the class, then you can learn by these two ways. No. Two methods, no, that's why. See, if we written this is straight, then we must have to give downwards of this. Okay? Then next, after that, if it is given up to down, then A ki matra is upside. Then O. This is called O ki matra. Au. Then then aha. What I done yesterday? I only written, I joined the letter there. I added the letter in this one. Now after what is the letter I told you? Ana. See, everywhere you can touch the ana. Finish with the header and join this one. First E ki means choti E ki matra always be left side of the letter. See, you must have to join from here and give this way. This will become choti E ki matra. Then ana only. You have to join ana here. Okay? Then ana. See? No? Only I am joining the letter. You have particular line there, you have to see there and join the ana properly. See? In this one already one letter it is there. One number is there. Then you have to add only ana. Okay? See? Ana. See, these two ways are very easy, no? To say, to pronounce, to write. These are easy steps to write the Barakhadi and pronounce it. Okay? The next, now I am going to explain two letter words without symbols. Okay? The words did not have any symbol, only letter. That letter particular pronunciation and add it. Both letters you must have to pronounce together. Then it will become a word. Okay? In these words, no, some kind of words are there. Some are sarthak, means particular meaning words are there. Some words without meaning, without meaning. Then I am going to explain that. See, this Barakhadi, no, while writing you have to pronounce and write. Compulsory pronunciation of the letter and symbol. Remember that short vowel and long vowel. Okay. By knowing this one only, then you know that up to how many seconds you have to take a word. Okay. Then now I am going to explain दो अक्षर वाले शब्द. See this one, how I am pronouncing in what we are saying then. See what is the letter first? Da. Then which matra is joined there? O. Da and O. Do. Now when I am writing, if you pronounce this, you can read anything then. See what is the letter? A. Ksha. Okay. See, I am written letters only. I am writing only letters only. I did not given the header there. See, now I am giving. Why? Because this ksha did not have full header. That's why. दो अक्षर वाले शब्द. See how I pronounce them. A, sha, ra. Together the sound. Wale. If I close this, you can see the letter. Then afterwards the symbol. Va and a. Va. La and ye. Le. Together. These sounds you must have to say together then. Wale. Shabd. Sha. बा, हाफ बा एंड दा. शब्द दो अक्षर वाले शब्द. सी वेरी इजी टू राइट एंड रीड दिस वर्ड्स. ओके. एग्जाम्पल. फर्स्ट we can take first letter only. First letter of the swar. Okay. A. After a is there no second one. Okay. I am writing a here. Okay, I will add another letter. Then what it will become? Ma. Two sounds you have to join. This is a. For how many seconds? This is long vowel now. A. Then ma. Together if we say, what is the sound of the word? Okay. How I read this one? How I read? By knowing this all the letters particular pronunciation. See only letter. First letter and second letter. Particular word have how many letters and how many symbols added with that one. If you take the symbol sound and the letter sound, if you join that together, you can read a word then. See, this is a particular word. This one have meaning. Means mango, a fruit, a seasonal fruit. It is health wise. This one having C vitamin. Health wise very good. It is. No, everybody like this mango fruit. No. By knowing this means different meanings are there. Different things are there. Okay. About the use is also there. This is called सार्थक शब्द. सार्थक means a particular meaning is there. See, I will write with this another one. See, I added ka. A and ka. This word did not have any meaning. Okay, that's why what I am saying, particular letter, if it is having a meaning, that is a meaningful word. If we join any word, that particular word did not have any meaning, that is called a nirardhak word. Okay, this is sardhak word and it is a nirardhak word. Okay, likewise this one I am going to explain some more words and the sound what is the pronunciation of that words I am going to explain. See, over. Then what is the letter I am written? Vyanjan letters I am taking. See, most of Vyanjan and swar letters starting from swar and completing with Vyanjan, or some are starting with Vyanjan or completing with swar. Swar usually we are using to write symbols only. Okay. Gha, and I am adding here ra. What are the sounds of these letters? See, first I am written gha, then next was ra. Together if you read no ghar, what it will become? Ghar. Ghar means house. This one a particular letter, this word having a meaning. This is a meaningful word then. Ghar means house where we are living in that one. No. Gha and ra. Ghar together if we say, what are the letters in this one? See, gha plus ra is equal to ghar. See, what are the letters in this one? How I joined gha and ra. Ghar. The next same like that. Kha and ra. What are the letters in this one? By separating that also, you can know the word and symbol also. Kha, ra, khar. Okay. Then next. See, pha and na. What are the letters in that one? Pha plus na. What you are doing in the maths? When writing the letters and if you see the symbol, what you are doing? You are adding to that one. Then I am also adding this one same like that. Okay, pha and na. Pha plus na means pha or na. Phan. Okay. The next. I am written swarakshar letter. See, swar letter e and kha. What I told you, this is a short vowel or long vowel? This is a long vowel. How we have to pronounce e? No. Then what are the letters in this one? See, how I joined e written. I am written e and kha. Then it will become a eek. E and kha. Eek. Okay. Then next. I am showing only 2 letter words. Okay. Ga and ja. Gaj. Okay. What are the letters here? Ga plus ja. Gaj. No. Ga and ja. What are the letters? Only letter sound. That is only important. Then gaj after gha ta. Ghat. How I am written? Gha plus ta is equal to ghat. Okay. The next. Ba and ka. Ba plus ka is equal to buck. Buck means crane. Okay. Then afterwards, oo. See, oo plus na. Oon. Oo plus na. Oon. Okay. The next. Jha, sha. See, what are the letters I am writing? Jha plus sha. Hard vowels. Hard letters. Jha, sha, jhash. Jhash means fish. See, these all the words having particular meaning then. Khar means donkey. Phan means snake. Eek means sugarcane. Gaj means elephant. Ghat means pot. Buck means crane. Oon means wool. Jhash means fish. These particular words having particular meaning then. Then I explained that what are the letters and how you have to pronounce this word. Okay. Then you must have to remember this all. Then put in the practice and write on the paper Katu Ana Barakadi 2 times. Write and post in your concerned class group. Thank you, children.